Here we've got another XBT Ford Transit. This one is the L2H3 with only 67,000 miles. Will come with a major service along with having its wet belt done only 6,000 miles ago. These ones are full workshop in the back, including microwave and sockets. Also come with backed up service history with BT. Come with side door and rear door locking. These models come with 2 seats, both heated, as you can see here, with rear sensors and top beacon lights. We have a few of these available, so if you're interested in these vans, feel free to drop us a message or give us a call.